Namaskaram, everyone. Welcome to the 12th guided meditation session. How have you been doing? How has been your Saturday? How has been your whole week? Yes, Divya, we have done it slightly late today as I wanted to perform and test something, that whether people are joining, more people are joining or not, because I have received a lot of requests from so many people to start this session a little late. Namaskaram, Harmonium Music, how have you been doing? Great. We will wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to jump in. Meanwhile, please let me know in the comment section, are you coming here for the first time or the 12th time? Please comment down which time are you coming here for. Put down the number. Great. A lot of people are coming here for the first time, and thank you. Great. Tyagi Vikko coming for the first time. We have a lot of new people coming here for the first time, and that's fantastic. For those who are coming here for the first time, let me tell you, every night 10 p.m. or so, we conduct this session and we spend time with ourselves. It's a guided meditation, and it's more than a meditation actually. You kind of spend your time with yourself with your eyes closed, and that eventually pays you off in so many aspects positively. Great. So, tell me, how are you feeling right now? How's your energy today? Are you excited to take this meditation next forward? Great. Akash, so the session generally starts every night 10 p.m. Indian time, and today we have done it 11 p.m. because it was the weekend and we wanted more people to join in. That's why we have kept it at 11 p.m. Great. I hope all of you are ready, and please show me some love on the Instagram, or you can put down in the comment section. We'll get started. So this process is all going to be about just spending time with yourself. And let me tell you that for those people who are coming here since day one, they have done more than 140 minutes of meditation. That means they have spent time with themselves for more than 2 hours for the last 10 to 12 days. Isn't it great? Great, Divya. Yes, it's fantastic. You're right. Wait, we'll get started. Great. So now before getting started, here are few instructions for those who have come here for the first time. I want you to be in a sitting position. Lights are optional. You don't need the lights, and even you don't need to look at the Instagram screen. I will be guiding you through the process. You just have to follow what I am saying, and it will glide you through the process. I want you to keep your spine and your back comfortably erect. Don't be too slouchy or don't be too strict with your spine. Just be comfortably erect. Keep your palms facing upwards on your thigh. Keep your shoulders relaxed and keep your head straight. Don't worry about seeing on the screen. You just have to follow my voice, and make sure you are not in a disturbing place, a lot of noise. You just find that you are in a comfortable place. Great. I will give you a moment to adjust yourself, and please make sure you remove your spectacles. You don't need to put your glasses or your spectacles, you just can remove that. It will be a grateful option for you to focus more on yourself. Great. So before we start, I will give you another 10 to 15 seconds to adjust yourself. Be comfortable. Sunyara put, we actually upload all of these meditation session on the website weekendyogi.com. You can go to weekendyogi.com and sign up there. I have specifically put all these exclusive meditation sessions there on the website. Go to weekendyogi.com/sign up after the session. So we are good to get started. So let's get started. What you have to do is, when you start, you just have to follow my voice. And I'm going to close down the comment section so that you can focus better on my voice, and you just focus and spend time with yourself. In your own time, slowly and gently lower your gaze. Close your eyes and follow my voice. Slowly, gently lower your gaze and close your eyes. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. We will begin with taking a few deep inhalations. Take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and exhale slowly through your mouth. Take an inhalation through your nostrils and rotate your shoulders gently and slowly and relax. Release any stiffness or tightness in your body, your arms, your feet, your thigh, your stomach, your shoulders, your face, your forehead. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. Try to keep your attention on my voice. Your mind may want to wander. You may be getting lost in your own thoughts, but slowly and gently bring it back to my voice. Relax your eyeballs. Take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and hold your breath. Hold your breath and exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. Get back to the natural breathing pattern. Pay an attention and bring your awareness to your breath and my voice. Feel the positivity, the fresh air entering your nostrils. Let your breathing be natural, steady and casual. We will begin the journey. Say it to yourself, the next 10 minutes are just mine. I want you to say it to yourself, the next 10 minutes are just mine and just mine. I want you to visualize your favorite teacher, or maybe your role model in your life, or your parents, or anyone whom you consider your life role model. He or she can be your teacher, your friend, or the person you admire the most. Think and visualize that person standing in front of you. Now I want you to pick and visualize 3 important and the most beautiful qualities of this person. Think of 3 positive and good qualities about this person you have visualized. What are those 3 topmost, the best qualities and characteristics of this person? Now I want you to pick all the 3 characteristics of this person and implement in your life. Visualize you practicing these 3 qualities of your role model. Visualize Tomorrow you are exercising and implementing these three best qualities of this person. Visualize how your day is going, how you are interacting with different people, with your family members, and notice your emotions. Are you feeling confident, happy, joyful, cheerful, and so excited? Visualize the whole day practicing these qualities. Visualize and see and observe how it's making a positive impact in your life, how it's making progress and improvement in your day-to-day life. Keep your breath steady and casual. Your role model is blessing you with so much energy, love, and intensity. Say to yourself, I am fantastic with these three new qualities. I am feeling joyful and positive with these qualities. Visualize your tomorrow and the present moment just full of cheerfulness, ecstasy, and joyfulness. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. Take your own time. Take your own time. In your own pace, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes. Hello everyone, how was tonight's meditation session for you? How did you feel? How are you feeling right now? Let me know in the comment section. Namaskaram Faizia. I understand there is a time lag and a lag between what I'm speaking and what you are commenting. Please let me know, guys, in the comment section, how did you feel about tonight's session? You had spent time with yourself. Great, Swaharat. Fantastic to see you after a long time. Great. Thank you, Priyanka Daryani. You felt it nice. It was nice. Great, Akanksha. Amazing. You felt inspired and motivated. Great, Fazia. Thank you so much. It was really good and you needed it. Yes. Fantastic, Swaha. I would request all of you to come every night, spend this 10 minutes for yourself. And all gratefulness and thankfulness to you guys. You have done it for yourself. Yes, Priyanka Daryani, for that question, please message us in the inbox, though maybe we can help you at some extent. And please, people, make sure you drink half a glass of water after this meditation. It's always better to drink water. It helps you settle your energy. Great, Harshita Venkatesh. That's fantastic to know that you want to join every day. We do it every night. Today was our 12th session. And if any one of you want to take a look at our replays, you can go to the website weekendyogi.com. It's in our bio section as well. I'll be uploading all of this meditation session. You can watch them at any point of time at your own convenience. Also, we have a YouTube channel with the same name, The Weekend Yogi. You can subscribe there and find the fresh brewed content for all of you. Thank you, Fazia. Thank you. I wish it's all possible just because all of you, and I hope to do these changes and I hope to do all this contribution ahead. Great. Great. So for the next time, let's say Namaskaram and see you tomorrow night, everyone. 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. I'll just put up in the story. Also, are you guys ready for tomorrow morning's meditation session? Just wanna quickly ask you, you want to come for meditation session tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.? Great. So see you tomorrow. Everyone, take a good night and signing off, The Weekend Yogi, bringing back your lost awareness and making your everyday a weekend. Namaskaram. Good night.